AI is the future. Artificial intelligence is the future. Whether you like it or not, it is either you adapt or die. AI is the future. That is why, if you can check on the recent trend, artificial intelligence or AI has been able to beat humans in many fields, like in playing chess, like in doing mathematical calculations, like in creating tough algorithms and stuffs like that. That is why in Forex trading in 2023 and beyond, if you are doing anything in Forex trading, try as much as possible to have a little bit or a small portion of your portfolio or small portion of your trading which has to do with AI. And talking about AI in Forex trading, we are talking about robotic trading. So on today's video, I want to see if we can use an AI to create a profitable Forex robot, or if we can use an AI to create a profitable Forex strategy. So if this is excited and you want to see how we can do it, then stay to the end of this video. So talking about how we're going to be using an AI to create a profitable Forex robot or to create a profitable trading strategy, we're going to be using this popular AI, which is the talk of the town. Everywhere you go, you hear people talking about this AI, and it is high time you know what this AI is and how to use it. So we're going to be talking about ChatGPT. All right. ChatGPT is a very popular AI or artificial intelligence which was co-founded by Elon Musk. If you know Elon Musk, the founder of or the owner of Twitter, he is one of the co-founders of this particular AI. So what this AI does is it has a database which is able to give you accurate information, even more accurate. For my own personal point of view, even more accurate than Google. Because remember, when you go on Google, any person can just come on Google and Google in a garbage and Google out in a garbage, all right? But this AI is able to give you accurate information. And that is what we're going to be using today. We're going to be giving commands to that particular AI to create us a profitable Forex trading strategy or to create us a profitable Forex robot. So let's get into the video. So to get into ChatGPT, you just go to chat.openai.com. You can check the link on the video description or just check on Google. ChatGPT is everywhere. When you go on the website, you can see mine is on a dark mode. And what do? Let me just give a command. This is where you actually give a command and the answer will just populate somewhere here. So the AI, the artificial intelligence, will just go in a database and give you the result, and you see the results here. So let me just say hello. Okay, the AI say, hello, how can I help you today? And then let's just start with something very basic. Let's ask, what is Forex trading? And hear what the AI has to say, all right? Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading or currency trading, is the buying and selling of currencies on the foreign exchange market. The goal of Forex trading is to profit from changes in the value of one currency against another. Very accurate, very accurate. This is different from Google, where you need to be opening different websites to be comparing, but this gives you accurate information. Let's see. Forex traders buy a currency if they believe its value will increase and sell if they believe the value will decrease. The foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world, and it opens 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. Very accurate, very accurate. If I even go here and go to generate more response or give you, you can even go here and say give me more details about Forex trading. All right, it's just going to start going in depth, telling you about the Forex market, when Forex started, who are the major players in the market, how the market is manipulated. You can see I even asked for more details about Forex trading. It said Forex trading is the buying and selling of a currency in exchange for another. The goal is to profit from changes in the value of a currency against another. The foreign exchange market, also known as this, is open 24 hours a day. In Forex trading, currencies are traded in pairs, such as US dollar and the euro, known as US euro, right? Or the British pound and the Japanese yen, GBP, JPY. A Forex trader will buy a currency pair if they believe the value of the currency, the first currency in the pair, will rise, and they will sell a currency pair if they believe it. So you can see how this information, you can just keep reading and going as the AI just keep populating, just keep coming out with it. You can just keep reading and going. So this thing is very, very, very accurate. Good. So let's try to go in depth. Let's ask now, let's ask the AI, right? Let's say, what are profitable Forex trading strategies for retail traders? Because remember, we are retail traders. For retail traders, let's hear what the AI says. There are many several profitable forex trading strategies that retail traders can use, but it is important to know that past performance is not an indication of future results, and different strategies may not work for different individuals. Good. Therefore, it is recommended to do your own research and testing before committing to a particular strategy. Here's a few popular strategies that have been known to be profitable for retail forex traders. This is very clear, and ChatGPT is pointing it out step by step. Let's go through the top 5 strategies which according to ChatGPT, they said those are the top 5 trading strategies, right? Let's start with the first one, trend trading. The trend is your friend. One of the best strategies that I've used to make money in forex trading today, both on technical trading and in robotic trading, is trend trading. All right, so the AI is very accurate. The first one that I always recommend to people, I even did a video recently and I was talking about the importance of trend. If you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video. You can see this is the first strategy the AI is recommending. And how does the AI even get all these responses? They go back to past history. This is a database, so they can go on the database and they'll be able to see strategies that have been profitable for individuals, strategies that haven't been profitable for individuals. So this is very accurate. Let's go through the first one, which is trend trading. This strategy involves identifying a trend in the market, such as an uptrend or a downtrend, and then buying or selling in the direction of that trend. This strategy can be profitable as traders are able to catch the majority of the market move. Very accurate. This strategy is super profitable when you are able to catch a particular trend. I think I'm just going to show you guys an example. See, like this trade I still remember this trade of gold. This trade has made me a lot of money. Look at this trend. You can see this trend here. As soon as we saw this bottom here, this first bottom, second bottom, and third bottom. What did we do? We got into the market somewhere here. The video I did was about this currency pair. We got into the market somewhere here with 3 trades. The market came up, gave us again the third bottom. We added 3 more trades here, and we've been adding trade. As soon as the market pulled back somewhere here, we added a trade, because you can see this is a clear uptrend. As soon as the market pulled back, we added 3 trades here, we added 3 trades here, we added 3 trades here, we added 3, and I got out of the market somewhere here, and this took my account from $8,000 to about $38,000, almost about $40,000. This trend, I mean, just one trend on one currency pair, which was gold, SAUUSD. See the power of knowing how to trade trend. When you capture one trend and capitalize on it, trust me guys, the rest is going to be history. And that's it. That's the first strategy ChatGPT has been able to recommend, trend trading strategy. This is an example. If you go through your chart and you browse through your chart, you're going to see this example. See this same one again on a daily time frame. I remember these are all swing. These are all swing positions. Can you see this? Just looking at this, you can already see. And if I want to give you guys a signal, this is a sell signal already. You can see the market is going back to bounce on this resistance, and we should expect a sell. All right. So what happened? As soon as the market comes down here, I'm going to add more sell positions. So just imagine you caught the trend when it was right up here. You would have added positions here. As soon as the market pulled back here, you would have added more positions here. As soon as the market pulled back, you would have added more. By now, you would have already been in a trade with almost about 50 different positions, and if you're having a $1,000 account, you'll be having about $15,000 account. This is not magic. That's the power of knowing how to catch a trend and capitalize on that trend. So trend trading, ChatGPT, you are very accurate. Trend trading is the way to go. Let's go on the second strategy which ChatGPT is telling us that is very, very profitable. All right, let's go on breakout strategy. What is a breakout strategy? This strategy involves identifying key levels of support and resistance in the market, and then buying or selling when the price breaks through those levels. This strategy can be profitable as traders are able to enter the market at key levels and ride the momentum of the move. This is very accurate, but there's a little bit of tweaking that I do. All right, or I trade breakout differently. I don't wait for the market to break through my support or through my resistance and I buy, or through my support and I sell. What I do is I instead use what we call a break and retest. Does it make sense? I use what they call a break and retest. I wait for the market to break my resistance, then come back to retest that resistance, then I can buy at that particular point in time. When you use the break and retest strategy, it gives you a better position to put your stop loss, a better position to put your target, and better positions to come out of the trade with a higher risk to reward. Let's go on a chart and I'll show you guys an example of a break and retest, all right? Let's go back to that particular gold chart. And if you go on gold chart, you can see if we had something here like, let's just say we had this key level somewhere here. See this level, guys. See this level we had somewhere here. Good, something like this. The market was bouncing. We had a touch here, we had a touch here, we had a touch here, we had a touch somewhere here. So the last touch we had was somewhere here. So let's just assume the market is somewhere here. And even if we haven't gotten into this trade, the market came up here and break this particular resistance. So according to the strategy, according to the breakout strategy, so long as this particular resistance is broken, you have to get into the trade somewhere here, right? And you put your stop loss maybe somewhere down here, depending on where you want to put your take profit. But what will I do? To be able to have proper risk and money, proper risk management, proper money management, and proper risk to reward, what do? You wait for the market to break this point and then retest. You wait for the market to break your resistance and pull back to retest. Pull back. You're going to see setups like this every day. So long as the market has pulled back to that particular resistance, to test that resistance, look for a buy signal and get into the trade. You can see here we had this bullish engulfing candle, this big ass bullish engulfing candle. So I would have gotten into the trade somewhere here. I buy somewhere here. I put my stop loss somewhere here at around 300 pips, and I go for a risk to reward of about 1:4. 300 pips, and I put my stop loss up here at 900 pips. Boom! You see, within a couple of days, maybe within a week or after about 8 days, my take profit was already hit with plus 900 pips. That's a risk to reward of 1:3. You just need to be right about 2 or 3 times out of 10 times, and you'll still be making money. So that is how I personally will be able to trade the breakout strategy. I don't just wait for the market to break my resistance and I jump and buy. I wait for the market to break my resistance, come back and test that particular resistance so that I'll have a reasonable distance that I can be able to put my stop loss and a reasonable distance where I can be able to put my take profit. So you see, so ChatGPT has suggested us that strategy as a second most profitable strategy, and I have a little bit. So with experience now, you're able to tweak this strategy to find out what works best for you and what doesn't work. The third strategy on the list is position strategy. So even reading what position strategy is, position strategy is more of long-term positions, right? So you place trades. It's different from scalping or day trading. You place trades that are going to be there for a longer period of time. Good. This strategy involves holding positions for a longer period of time, such as several days or weeks. So this example I just showed you here is an example of a position. I consider this a swing trade. All right, a swing trade. But now, when the difference between swing trading and position trading. Swing trading ranges between days to a couple of weeks, while position trading is one trade in a while. You can have maybe one trade in a month, or maybe 2 trades in a year, or maybe 3 trades in a year. That's what they call position trading. You have just few positions in a very big period of time, or you have very few positions in a longer period of time, all right? So that's what they call position trading. But now, holding your trade for days to weeks is what they call swing trading. So this strategy I showed you, or this trade I showed you, was an example of a swing trade, all right? So according to ChatGPT, they say position trading is the third most profitable strategy, and swing trading, according to them, is their fourth most profitable strategy, all right? And what is swing trading? What is swing trading? I just explained to you guys. This strategy involves holding position for a shorter period of time, such as several hours to days. Can you see? That's what I just explained to you guys, because remember, this is a daily time frame. So if you if you are trading on a 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame, then you are swing trading. If you are trading on a weekly time frame or the monthly time frame, you are position trading. So just have that at the back of your mind. Good. So swing trade, this strategy involves holding positions for a shorter period of time, such as several hours or days. This strategy can be profitable as traders are able to catch short-term market moves and benefit from the volatility in the market. This is self-explanatory and very accurate. So according to ChatGPT, which I have validated and have confirmed this information, the fifth most profitable Forex strategy is the scalping strategy. So most of you guys, if you check on the internet, the most profitable Forex trading, check on Google itself, you see 90% of those strategies are scalping strategies. But let me shock you a little bit. Scalping is not even the most profitable Forex trading strategy. You can even see scalping is the last on the list. Scalping is a fifth on the list. Trend trading, if you come on YouTube, you won't see many people talking about trend trading. You won't see many people talking about breakout trading. And even if they're talking about breakout trading, they just talk about the generic. Just wait for the market to break your resistance and you buy, break your support, and you say, everybody will do that. Even your brokers already know you're going to do that. So they're going to do what they call stop loss hunting. So now you need to be able to look for tweaks that will make you to be able to trade differently. That will make the brokers, your broker, not to be able to know what you're going to be doing at that particular level. You see, so even scalping itself is not the most. It's a profitable strategy, but not the most. It's the least most profitable strategy according to ChatGPT and according to myself. All right. And what is scalping? This strategy involves taking many short-term trades and holding positions for only a few minutes or seconds. I used to even hold some of my trades for 30 seconds. All right, that's scalping. The strategy can be profitable as traders are able to take advantage of small market moves and benefit from the liquidity in the market. Good. Can you see this? So these are the top. So what do you do once you already know this? Trend trading, breakout strategy, position trading, swing trading, and scalping, right? You know that these are the top 5 trading strategies. What do? You then take your book, you take your diary, you start down, you start looking for trend trading strategies. You write them down, or you start practicing trend trading strategies. You start practicing breakout strategies. You start practicing swing position strategies, so that anytime you open your chart, you won't be forced to squeeze out a trade when a trade is already there. You already have an array of strategies that you can use. You already have a basket of strategies that anytime you see a setup, you already know, I'm going to be using a trend trading strategy here. I'm going to be using a scalping strategy. I'm going to be using a breakout strategy. You know, so you have an idea of how these strategies work, and you can then amplify and implement the strategies in your trading. So if you have to ask for my personal decision, and I have to put the top 5 most profitable Forex trading strategy, trend trading is going to come the first. For me, what makes money, according to ChatGPT, you can see that's the list according to ChatGPT. But for me, trend trading is going to be the first most profitable. Second, followed by swing trading. Swing trading for me is the second most profitable. And then third, talking about number 10 on our list, we talk about breakout strategy. For me is the third. And then the fourth, according to me, scalping. Yes, scalping is going to come the fourth most profitable for me. Then position trading, where you just have like 1 or 2 positions per year, or maybe 3 positions per year, is going to come like the last for me. So this is information from ChatGPT, and there is no excuse in 2023 why you shouldn't be rich in Forex trading. There is no excuse in 2023 why you shouldn't be making the money in Forex trading. Let's just ask one last question from ChatGPT. And before we go to the last question on ChatGPT, you can even see here, they even give you a disclaimer. They say it is important to note that all of these strategies are based on technical analysis, but fundamental analysis should also be used to make sure that the market conditions and economic factors are suitable for choosing strategy. Also, proper risk management techniques such as setting stop loss orders should be used in conjunction with any trading strategy. ChatGPT, very accurate. So they go through the database across the years. They see what the reason why many traders have been failing, and they've been able to come up with this recommendation. All right. So this disclaimer is very accurate, and I validate this particular disclaimer. So let's just ask ChatGPT one last question, and we're going to be able to draw our conclusion. What's the future of ChatGPT, or what's the future of Forex trading in relation to ChatGPT? Because if any person can just come here and just type in, you can even type, give me a code on a robot. They will provide the robot. It means everybody will just be rich, right? But that's not the case. So I'm going to give you guys the catch when it comes to ChatGPT and the future in Forex trading. So now let's just ask one last question. Let's just say, can you give me a profitable Forex trading robot? Good. Okay, I'm sorry, but I can't give you a profitable Forex trading robot. Why they are trading robot or expert advisors available for purchase? You can see what the ChatGPT is saying. I am sorry, but I can't give you a profitable Forex trading robot. Why? There are trading robots or expert advisors available for purchase, like Payouts Pro. That's just what ChatGPT is confirming. That even though he can't quote you a robot directly, there are good robots out there like Payouts Pro available for purchase. And it is important to understand that there are no guarantees of profitability. Very clear. You can't. Even when I give people my robot, I used to tell them, if you don't know what you're doing, even the little you have will be taken away from you by the robot. You need to know what you're doing. You need to know how to use the parameters. The Forex market is complex. Thank you, ChatGPT. If it was actually a human, I will actually give this AI a handshake, right? The Forex market is complex and constantly changing, and no one can predict with certainty how it will perform in the future. So additionally, what ChatGPT is telling you is, even though he can't just give you a direct code, although on our next video, if you want to see, guys, if you want to see how you can actually use ChatGPT to create a Forex robot, then make sure you like this video, leave a comment on the video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, because on our next video, I'm going to be doing a video where I'm going to be guiding you, showing you how you can give commands to ChatGPT to create you a Forex robot. So what's the future of ChatGPT in relation to Forex trading? Is ChatGPT taking the place of maybe Google, or taking the place of YouTube, or taking the place of mentors? No. You always, this is an AI. Remember, this is a tool, this is an AI, this is database, and a database will never replace a human. So you can come here for accurate research, you can come here for accurate information, but still belong to your trading community. You still need your mentor. You still need somebody to guide you in the field of Forex trading. But from time to time, if you want to refresh your mind, if you want to get accurate information, you come to ChatGPT and you can always get that information. Now, I'm talking about ChatGPT again. That is why you see, I think beginning 2023, this is one of the highest time where we've recorded sales when it comes to Payouts Pro. You know, Payouts Pro is my personal robot that I started working on that robot in end of 2018 going to 2019, and by last year the robot was profitable and I started using it myself, and I even gave it to others, and the robot was available for the public, was available for sale. And 2023 has recorded the highest numbers of sales. Why? Because of artificial intelligence. Because a portion of Forex trading is moving into algo trading or algorithmic trading. Whether you like it or not, a portion of Forex trading is moving into algo trading and robotic trading. So you're going to see in the future, in a few years to come, 5 years to come, maybe about 80% of the entire trades that will be taken in the Forex market will be done by a robot, will be done by AIs, will be done by artificial intelligence. That is why we've already taken our own share of that particular trend, and we are already making the money. As the trend is going, we are already making the money. So if you want to be able to use Payouts Pro or be part of the Payouts Pro community, then check out the link below. That is where you can be able to get Payouts Pro directly from the website. And on our next video, I'll be making also a video that will guide you guys again, since this is the AI thing is crazy and is going viral. I'm still going to do a video again talking about Payouts Pro, talking about the parameters, how people are using it, how you can use it, how any person can even be able to. I've even done a video on this channel, almost about 3 hours video. I think just check the link above, or just go on my channel and check on how to create a Forex robot. I've done a video of almost about 3 to 4 hours teaching you guys how you can create your own Forex robot, because I saw this coming. This was last year. I saw this coming. So guys, you better adapt or die, and I don't want you guys to die, so try as much as possible to adapt to the current trend. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've gotten some value from this video, make sure you smash the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel. Leave a like on the video, guys. Let's get this video to at least 5,000 likes. And if you want more details about this, follow this video which explains a little bit about robotic trading. This video will also teach you guys step by step on how you can be able to create your own robot. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on these other videos.